Well, it's the vwnut1967 channel on YouTube. You guys are about to enjoy a little bit of footage from my yesterday at UDIZZY's house. If you guys tuned into UDIZZY's live show, you knew that I was there. So here's a little bit of what I did hanging out with UDIZZY. So we drove out to Worcester in the 67 today to help Dizzy with some things. You'll see that in a second, but I had to come pick up this too. This has been here for a very long time on Dizzy's desk for me. These girls, they don't know nothing about a 21 window.
No.
Boss, they don't know. They don't know nothing.
We got no clue.
Nothing. Nothing.
But that actually comes off this car.
So we're just stabbing some holes in there for Dizzy. I'm skateboarding around the warehouse while the battery's charging.
Having a blast. Living the life, baby.
Yeah, we got some pieces here that need to go on, so stay tuned. Alright, so we got the engine in, the brake on and hooked up, and I think the brake arm is tightened. Nope, still needs to be tightened. UDIZZY is working on tightening up the clutch. We got the chain on without a tensioner. That's just the way it worked out with the links. The engine is tight. The throttle is, like I said, ready for testancy's purposes. We should be firing this thing up here momentarily. Just a few more double check things. What else you guys want to build today? I got here at 7 o'clock this morning. It's only 10. In 3 hours we went from just having a frame and so a rolling chassis if you will, to we're about ready to fire this thing up. We'll be back in a second. So she's never been started, so that's her first drink of gas ever.
Ever. Thank you to Twitch Your Whiskers. He actually donated this engine to the UDIZZY shop.
Oh yeah. Thank you, Twitch Your Whiskers.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, I can't. The choke is
Yep.
that's wide open. That's closed. So we can take her outside.
Let's take her outside. Pull until your arm's tired, brother. So the shakedown run was good.
Yeah.
Where the brake handle was loose, the front fender was loose,
But we
and the rear tire needs air. Other than that, perfect.
Yeah.
Ready to go. Dizzy's got a few more little things to tinker with, but ready to go. Today, since we were doing small engine stuff with UDIZZY, we're right here on some small engine stuff. This is a Craftsman light duty 42-inch mower deck tractor that is my father-in-law's. He brought it to me this weekend because it had a couple of problems. It needed a battery charge. It had a no start condition. Those two were easily fixed. Wasn't a big deal. Charge the battery. It seems to be holding a charge. What we're going to do today is these are the blades or what's left of the blades that came off of it. No fault of my father-in-law's. This is just how he got it from the previous person. We're just going to throw some new blades on there and check on patina, and then we'll cut some grass with it, see how it does. Get her cleaned up, add some oil to it. It was low on oil too from the previous person who had it. So we'll take care of a couple of those things. It seems to start right up, run just fine. And we'll get her jacked up and set down where I can lay down on the ground comfortably and work on it. And special thanks to Ruby yesterday. She did like 140 miles round trip for me from my house to UDIZZY's and back. And I'll bring you guys back when we're getting under there, putting some new blades on there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look under here. There you go, one brand new blade installed. Let's put the other one on and then we'll see how she cuts the grass. Okay, so we got her into the backyard and we got the new blades on her, as you've seen. I don't know if I showed you the second blade, but it went on as easy as the first blade. I may have neglected to do that. Sometimes trying to get everything into the video, it's not as easy as we make it, us YouTube creators make it look. So sometimes you guys got to give us a little bit of a break. This is one of those times. Anyway, we're back here in my backyard. I don't like the looks of how that deck is aligned, so I'm going to adjust a couple of those front pins real quick, and then I am going to show you guys how it cuts the grass. It'll look like I'm going really fast, but I'm really not going that fast while you guys listen to a song from my friend HAZEYDAZE. I'll bring you right back when we get to cutting some grass. Alright, enjoy.
As you're waiting for the story to end, think about all the things that you depend upon. Your shoulders standing high, looking around the world from in the sky. So take it easy, cause you might fall. You got a million different people writing on your wall. I got a number, write it down. You better check your distance from the ground. If you're ever gonna watch me fall, I think now's the time. And if you're ever gonna help me fall, I think now's the time. And if you're ever gonna catch me fall, I think now's the time. Put the sunshine on my face. With you there's never a smile out of place. You put the beats into my heart. You know that I've loved you from the start. You want a better life, well so do I. You think I wanna live this way until the day I die. Just take it easy, understand. Nothing in my life was ever planned. If you're ever gonna watch me fall, I think now's the time. And if you're ever gonna help me fall, I think now's the time. And if you're ever gonna catch me fall, I think now's the time. As you're waiting for the story to end, think about all the things that you depend upon. Your shoulders standing high, looking around the world from in the sky. I'm just looking for a place to land, so won't you tell me how you feel about my one-man band? Go spend your days up on the fence, till everything I do starts making sense. If you're ever gonna watch me fall, I think now's the time. And if you're ever gonna help me fall, I think now's the time. And if you're ever gonna catch me fall, I think now's
Alright, well, I'd say in fact it does cut the grass. We'll check out what Patina's doing. While we do that, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for hanging out with me here at the VW Nut Garage and taking a trip with me to my friend UDIZZY's. And we will see you guys in a couple of days. What are you doing? Oh, you're holding down your castle? She went skateboarding this morning. All day sundress skateboarding supplies. Do you skateboard? You want to say goodbye to the people? Say goodbye to, say goodbye to the people. Alright, so what we're looking at here is the UH-60M Blackhawk helicopter. And in just a second I'll explain to you more why we're watching this thing warm up. Alright, so what they're doing here is working with the search and rescue dogs. This is a search and rescue helicopter. Giving the dogs an opportunity to get used to getting on the helicopter. Like, it's not like you take one of these dogs and then they just magically are able to get on the helicopter. Like, it's a big scary machine with a lot of noise, so it takes a few chances and a lot of practice and things. So this is one of those practice scenarios to help the dogs get used to getting on the helicopter. So I thought it was entertaining. I had somebody shoot this clip and share it with me, so I thought I'd share it with you guys.